Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain the course outcome attainment software. Okay. Actually, I have developed the two kind of softwares. One is CO and PO attainment. First, I have and the second one is a course outcome attainment. First, I have completed the course outcome attainment. Okay. So, what are the modules I have available in the course outcome attainment? First thing we have go to CO and PO matrix mapping. Okay, so CO, PO and matrix mapping already we given in the Anna University curriculums. Okay, so this is a 2017 regulation computer science department. So already a corresponding subject PO mapping is already available in the Anna University curriculum and syllabuses. Okay, so second thing is we have entered the internal mark and university mark for the corresponding subject. Okay, after the university and internal mark, we go to the final fetch the course outcome attainment concept. Okay, so first we go to the COPO matrix. Okay, so I have to enter. First we go to select the which batch we want to enter the COPO matrix assigns. Okay, so a lot of batches are available. I can select 2018 and 22 academic batches. I can select the computer science and engineering. So it automatically fetch the corresponding department courses from first sem to then 8th semester. So already students what taken in the elective courses and also regular courses. I have mapped already in my databases. So it is fetched from the databases. It will show the list of subjects. Okay, first I am going to COPO matrix. Okay, so I have selected the one subject like I say problem solving Python programming. Okay, so when I click it, so automatically what are the course outcome is already we mapped in the this subject. It automatically this fetch from the databases. So this is a 6 course outcome are available in the problem solving and Python programming. Okay, so next one is we have to go to mapping for the matrix for the CO and PO. Okay, so there are 12 PO program outcomes are available. Okay, so we have to select. You can check it our syllabus. Okay, so the problem solving techniques. Okay, so only for PO1, PO2 and PO3. Okay, so PO1 for the all course outcome. Okay, so we have assigned the three kind of matrices. Three kind of matrices. Like I say, weightage is 1 or either 2 or either 3. Okay, so I have selected the is 1. So what is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a second course outcome. I got selected 2, and third one is I got selected 3. Okay, 1. Sorry. So second one is 1. So this is your choice. It's based on your syllabus. Okay. So these kind of work, every faculty members who are taken the corresponding subject, you can assign the this kind of weightage value, given the weightage value. Okay. So I can give 2, and this is 1 3 or 2. Okay, I can give to 2, and this is a 1, and we can give 2. Okay, then is a 2 or 2 and can 3. Okay, so only 3 POs are mapped in the corresponding subject. One PO1, PO2, PO3. Okay, then program solving and Python programming. Okay, so we have the 6 course outcomes. So we have to 6 rows we have to put in the values. Okay, then second PSO mapping. Okay, so PSO mapping is already university is mapped. See this. So this value is 3 1 3 1 and 1 3. Okay, so the same value we have to provide it PSO 1, and also we have 3 values. So you can decide it 3 1. Okay, then next we can to. So what is the value CO2? Sorry, this PSO2. Then what is the value 3? Okay, any values you can choose it. They are giving the 1 or 3, you can choose any kind of values. Okay, but because we have 3 PSO already I have mapped, so we can give all the values here, the like values 1 or 3. Okay, so like is here 1 and 3 and 1, that these values you have to your choice, either 1 or 3, not given to the 2. Okay, so I have given the 6 course outcome 1 and 1. Okay, after that you can give it, submit your course outcome. Yeah, successfully COPO matrix. Okay, then close it. Then once I refresh it, once again I select the corresponding courses, like that computer science, sorry, like that computer science. Yeah, then yeah, the problem solving Python program is mapped. Okay, so after the next step, once you have completed the COPO matrix mapping, we will go to the test mark, internal test mark and university mark. Okay, so what is the URL of next thing? You can go to COPO internal mark entry. Okay, the same procedure we have to follow to select the batches 1822 and select your branches like as a computer science. Okay, so these pages, the same list of subject were available. Once there you have to complete your COPO matrix, automatically the visible of mark entry and course attainment. Okay, so this is already mark entry is visible. Okay, so we can wait 1 second and check it. Okay, so now the mark entry field is enabled. Okay, once you have not mapped your corresponding subject like as a COPO matrix, this is a page is disabled, the button is disabled. Once there you have, first thing you have go to COPO matrix is enabled, after you come to here and enter your mark. Okay, so once you click the enter your mark, then they will asking the six kind of course outcome are available, then which course outcome you have to asking in the which internal. Okay, so this is the first internal, so CO1 is I am asking the first internal and the second internal also. Okay, and the second internal I am asking also CO1 and sorry first internal and second internal. CO3 I am asking first internal and second internal, and CO4 I am asking second internal and third internal, and respectively CO5 also same second and third internal. Okay, so which course outcome you want to asking the in your question paper, course outcome corresponding your test value. Okay, then after that you have to enter your mark. Okay, so I give the mark here, that is here, see that I am then university mark I can select it A plus. So I have checked, you can show the difference between the first internal, second internal, third internal. First internal I give only for less than 50, second internal less than 70, third internal greater than 90. Okay, so it will comparison will check in the course outcome attainment. Okay, third is 64 and 69 and 98, then A plus. Okay, then 23, 67, 91, then A plus. Okay, then 34, 65, 98. Okay, then 23, 61, 91, 89. So it will give you then above 96. A grade. Okay, then go to Anjali. 45, 58, 98. Give any value. Then 34. Then more than 60, I give it 63, 62, then 99. Okay, and this is 24, 51, like I said, or 50. This is 90. Give any one value. Naronima is 34, 59, like is 100, 9 grade. So see that this value automatically fetch from the databases. Okay, so here 22 members are displayed here, but right up now only 70 students are studied in this kind of batches in the 7th semester. During the first year in this batch students 2018 to 19, they were studying the only 22 students are studying in the first semester, but right of now only 17 students, 5 students are left out. Okay, but we can take the corresponding subject who are studying in the corresponding semester. Okay, so that is very important. We have to enter the mark. Okay, so it's more than 57. Sorry, this is 67. How much value we can give it to? More than 60, 65. $63, $62 and $63. This is $62, $90, $81. Then $36, $63, $91 and any grade. Okay. Then $37, $62, $92, then any grade. Then 47, 65, then 98. Okay, then 23, 56, 98. So if you have any entered wrongly, no problem, we can update in our databases. Okay. So come to down 23, 56, sorry, 66 and 99. Okay, and 25, 67, 98, any grade, and 34, 68, 98, and 35, 67, 99. Okay, then 23, 68, 99. Okay, once you complete your mark, you can submit your answer. Okay, successfully mark entered. After that, you can go to your COPO mark entry, select your batches, select your branches. There is a program. Once you complete your mark, automatically mark entered field is disabled. Okay, now we go to check our CO attainment. Okay, so CO attainment already we discussed in our seminar, like as a CO attainment in previous classes, previous seminar, just like as a CO attainment. So we can take sample this one. Okay, so this is our sample. So how to we can enter the mark, and after the enter your mark, this is automatically you can collect this kind of method. Okay, yeah. So already I discussed in the seminar this kind of how to rubrics we have to calculate it. Then matrix for the CO and internal test 1, test 2, test 3 university mark, and average of the what is the calculation of the CO attainment for the each corresponding subject, and finally go to PO and CO attainment of matrix. Okay, the same thing you can follow this output. Yeah, so all the details correspondingly fetch from the databases, like that. See, academic batch, which semester, subject name, and the total strength in the class 22, total number of students greater than of 60. Test 1 is 0 because we have only less than of 50 marks, and test 2 only 20. Reason is we have only ranges from the 60 to more than 60, but only 2 students are left out in the second test. Third test, all the students, because we are giving the more than 90 marks. Okay, and university only 20 students. Okay, so it is a ratio of sorry, this point scale for the more than 70 is a 3 scale, 60 to 69 2, and 50 to 59 1 point. So this is the number of students have to get from the original strength. Okay, only 15 students are getting the 3 points, 13 students getting the 2 points, 11 students getting the 1 points. Okay, after that we can check it. See that is a test 0 is a test 1 is a 0 points, and test 2 we getting the average of 3. Here is a one kind of mistake, I think so. So I will check it. Okay, so test 2 is here we getting so we already mapped for the which test we are asking. Okay, so here the course outcome, 6 course outcome available. Test 1 is we are asking 3 COs. Test 2 we are asking the all COs. Test 3 we are asking only 3 COs. Okay, so finally we getting internal mark for the test 1, test 2, test 3, average of the internal mark, then that is the total point of value. Then finally we getting the university averages mark out of 3 point scale. Okay, so next thing, then weightage 20% internal, 80% university mark, the calculation of the 0.3 and 2.4, the total cumulative value of finally CO attainment of this course is 2.7. Okay, after that we come to the CO PO attainment. Already we mapped in the corresponding 6 COs and 12 POs and also 3 PSOs. Okay, so here we are giving the marks, already we discussed in point to average point is a 2 point, here is a 2, here is a 2, then 1.8 is a we calculate from the 2.7 into 2 divided by total values, like I say the point scale is a 3. Okay, so this is a final PO attainment. So this is a final graph, we get the attainment of C1. Okay, so after the complete that, you could go to the print option. Okay, it will fetch from the single pages or otherwise 2 pages. You can save your PDF and take your printout. Okay, so I can save it. Yes. Okay, and automatically save in your local drive. We go to EMS College of Engineering. Yeah, so finally you got the output, this kind of method. This is a one subject you are communicating English. I can show that. Yeah, problem solved Python programming. See that. So this course attainment, course outcome attainment, you take the printout and put in your course file. Okay, so this is your how to attainment of course outcome, and next video we will post in the course out PO attainment of the particular program. Okay, thank you for your watching.